Dal nga ya nongal area na ibam na visit ka ha. Biya po mayong iya ko masina. Naki adhang ni makron thang si naki masina gata. Mana MDC janma me le mena government representation na ha. Illegal mining aro illegal transportation pongpinga. Angal ko illegally mine kaga pongpinga aro illegally transport ka. Mamang royalty gamgiza. Mamang revenue gamgiza raing an gapa. Aro bisong ni agano pangchake bisongwa maiba royalty issue kaga parang ko misoka. Royalty rangapa lekharang ko misoka. Bisong ni agana ni gatare royalty kungsachin bai tabatrak raingana. Ini gaman iara mai de kyongia. Sawa daktelinga. Je gama ko masina de government inquiry kala. Do government ko inquiry khakan visible signal ni agani ko. Mana ian dakaba bostani 비등어 government na agana da usan ongja inas khangba aganjo daskari ba aganjo endeba ong engkwa wene gaman ong ainkwa ngore nda고 de government na makchipi dong이야 ma dalo na simangka ya koila ko jensalo phala royalty gamna는 게 GST gamna는 게 aro ses gamna는 게 ya gamgpa dangarang government ni rong득 chiang ge daode de government ni rong득 chiang jainga wene gaman bachi ya dangarang yainga government rongdakchi dangga yang jode sana lo songya songna lo songya dalo na siman ki district council Jentes district council longjamena Khasis autonomous district council longjamena Garis autonomous district council longjamena problem hongi royalty share koilawni ko jeko manachim warangchi jene tene district council ko charayachim betonang ko pachim government rongdak onan sokjode district council ni rongdak onaba district council ni share ba sokjawa wene gaman ini songna negative impact ko anching inana uni negative economic ramification ku inana ini long term negative ramification de blonga wene gaman sa government ya ko niari dong ingani gaman daw angni chanchia de belsi gni ong engjo agani kuneng plengjo assembly ba ganjo phalo ba ganjo andiba dawana ba ya ko stock ka kuja nasimang nungsakwaru igen NGT ni coal mining ko niamo pangchake dakkijaga pa kapet kore chipnana coal mining kana de government ni dongaman dengtang safety health aro environment ni niamrang ko jarki coal mining kana nangen gapa order dongacho kuno pangchake ko abachingna nanga nemna jamano de supreme court pa ina order jo legal mining ko abachingbo nemna legal mining ko abachingan baksana ba na simango je koila da au dongpinga yaram kore auction kaimna watatpo nem mai bulsio honorable supreme court order na azal gni chisku order gaba kol auction khana gan pa ko daon aba salang puja mena inon donging khwa nemna iko phas kimna ya khon misok kimna de ya chengo salang gijaga pa hani misok kimna chu thai mna illegally watna nemna iko thari doninga and what has stopped the government? What has stopped the Coal India from auctioning and disposing of all those coal as they claim? That 32 lakh metric ton. Do you see 32 lakh metric ton across the state? That means all the 32 lakh metric ton coal have disappeared because they have been illegally transported already, even before it has been subjected to regular process of auctioning. That means the government has been deprived of the precious revenue. Both state government and central government. Therefore, it is necessary for central government also to take cognizance of this. This story about these illegalities pertaining to the coal mining in Meghalaya and its illegal transportation has been doing the story for how many years? Not just now. Government of India has its own machineries to have the inputs collected and take cognizance and act upon this. Therefore, I have reasons to believe now that court monitor kaimana investigation kaza de patte ungjawa. When you court monitor kaimana investigation kaptanan gen iko inosa yakode don't want to illegal coal mining ko oninga de patte legal coal mining ba abaching jawa. Mena legal coal mining kana manderang step ko rajawa. And then chona matnainga nimna chanchi mana legal coal mining ko dakna nangan gapa kamkon kana abaching jawa. uno de legal coal mining ongchapjaw. Wani gamansa mandirang ba sinanang ya? Ya illegal coal mining ko kachi songna baita nostong aro keng nokpa jemangan ya anang dongpa gamjini nokparang ua mangnaba ambani ja changgen ya mandirang. Wani gaman mandirang na namme mi soki scheme na illegal mining ko aba chengbo mai support ko nanga ni sa government dakna nanga chep. Andi ba iko dakija ya illegal mining ko ket ko chipna nanga coal mining kana de government ni don gaman dengtang safety health aro environment ni niam rangko jarki coal mining kana nangen gapa order donga chep. Kuno pangchake iko aba chengna nanga nemna jamano de supreme court pa ina order jo legal mining ko aba chengbo nemna legal mining ko aba chengan baksana ba na simango je koila da au dong peinga ya rangko de auction kaimna watat bo nem mai bulsio honorable supreme court order na azal gni chisku order gaba kol auction khana gan pa ko daon aba salang puja mena inon donging ko nemna iko pas kimna ya kon misok kimna de ya 쟁호 사랑 기자가 파하니 미속 kimna chu thai mna illegally watna nemna iko thai doninga. And what has stopped the government? What has stopped the Coal India from auctioning and disposing of all those coal as they claim? That 32 lakh metric ton. Do you see 32 lakh metric ton across the state? That means all the 32 lakh metric ton coal have disappeared because they have been illegally transported already, even before it has been subjected to regular process of auctioning. That means the government has been deprived of the precious revenue. Both state government and central government. Therefore, it is necessary for central government also to take cognizance of this. This story about these illegalities pertaining to the coal mining in Meghalaya and its illegal transportation has been doing the story for how many years? Not just now. Government of India has its own machineries to have the inputs collected and take cognizance and act upon this. Therefore, I have reasons to believe now that court monitor kaimana investigation kaza depatte ungjawa. Wenigaman court monitor katemana investigation kaptanan gen iko inosa yakode don't want to nuken. Illegal coal mining ko oninga depatte legal coal mining ba bachingjawa. Mena legal coal mining kana mandirang step ko rajawa. Andin chona matnainga nimna chanchimena 그 legal coal mining ko daknanangan gapa kamkon kanan aba chingjawa. Uno de legal coal mining ongchapjawa. Wani gamansa mandirang ba sinanang ya? Ya illegal coal mining ko kachi songna baita nostong aro keng nokpa jemangan ya anang dongpa gamjini nokparang ua mangnaba ambani ja changgen ya mandirang. Wani gaman mandirang na namme mi soki scheme na illegal mining ko aba chengbo mai support ko nanga ni sa government dakna nanga chep. Andi ba iko dakija ya illegal mining ko iko sawa protect kagen so defend kagen record 동자 마멍 동자 바치바 양조 소카리니 순두코나데 당가 속장조. Both government of India and state government is responsible. Coal is not just a state subject. Okay, it is going through the international border. It is going across interstate border. Going somewhere. This has to be corrected only by intervention of judiciary itself. Whether my the key government is Sundukona Danga Sopagan Chawi Palude. Chawi Chukupakode Chawisha Palgenba. Now the legal mining Chusa government of the revenue youngin. Illegal Chuinga Ode, illegal Chukupakode Daramba start Kanamans. But it is still happening. Legal Chuakus on Genba, legally Chude, government of revenue again. GST on again, cess on again. Here royalty unicorn only district council never talk about nothing. District council beton on naman gis dongia. Ekon MDC rang same na. All these members of the district council they have not even received their salary. Beton man kuja umba. No. MDC rang beton man kuja. No. Banoni danga sokpagene government sundukunara. Saniba sunduk siainga de. And the gate that put the Asung Sia. It's destroying the state. Na so na krikinga. So this has to be investigated. There has to be a SIT, an inquiry by an SIT to be monitored by. We'll have to seek the judicial intervention. Nothing else.
And so
for last 2 years, I have been talking about this, asking the government to take cognizance of these particular irregularities. You know, Section 21 MMDR Act, Section 21, subsection 1 is a cognizable offence. It's a cognizable offence. You have to take cognizance and proceed as per law. Nobody has to tell you. Getal ba mo? Nasong koila area dong pan uyan ada. Getal ba? No ba? Nakarin uyan ba mo? Jioni ka ba salbakan di ba getal mo? Khasial suni ko salbang ka kon ba? This autonomous district council ongjamen na Garis autonomous district council ongjamen na problem hongi. Royalty share koila oni ko je ko manachim waraki jene tene district council ko charayachim. Betonang ko patchim. Government ni rongde konan sokjao de district council ni rongde kona ba district council ni share ba sokjao. One gaman ini songna negative impact ko anching inana. Uni negative economic ramification ko inana. Ini long term negative ramification de blonga. One gaman sa government ya ko niari dongingani gaman. Now angni chanchia de. Bersi geni ong engjo agani kuneng lengjok. Assembly ba aganjok, palo ba aganjok. Andi ba tahu na ba ya ko stok ka kuja. Nasimang nungsaku aru igen. NGT ni coal mining ko niamo pangchake dakijak pa kaket ko de nana. Coal mining kana de government ni don gaman dengtang safety health aru environment ni niam rang ko jarki coal mining kana nangen gapa order dongacho. Kuno pangchake ko abachingna nanga nemna. Zamano de Supreme Court pa ina order onjo. Legal mining ko abachingbo nemna. Legal mining ko abachingan baksana ba na simango je koila da au dong peinga ya rang ko de auction kaim na watat po nem mai bulsio honorable Supreme Court order na hazal gni chisku order ga ba kol auction khana gan pa ko dao na ba salang kuja mena inon donging ko nemna iko phas kimna ya kon misok kimna de ya 쟁호 사랑 기자가 파하니 미속 kimna chuthai mina illegally watna nemna iko thai doninga. And what has stopped the government? What has stopped the Coal India from auctioning and disposing of all those coal as they claim? That 32 lakh metric ton. Do you see 32 lakh metric ton across the state? That means all the 32 lakh metric ton coal have disappeared because they have been illegally transported already, even before it has been subjected to regular process of auctioning. That means the government has been deprived of the precious revenue. Both state government and central government. Therefore, it is necessary for central government also to take cognizance of this. This story about these illegalities pertaining to the coal mining in Meghalaya and its illegal transportation has been doing the story for how many years? Not just now. Government of India has its own machineries to have the inputs collected and take cognizance and act upon this. To believe, therefore, how they, court chi monitor kaimana investigation kaja the pate ungjawa. When you court chi monitor kaimana investigation kaptan again iko, inosa, yakode, don't want to make illegal coal mining ko, oninga the pate legal coal mining ba abachingjawa. Mena, legal coal mining kana mandirang step kora jawa. And then chona matnainga nimna chanchimana. Legal coal mining ko daklanangan gapa kamkon kana abachingjawa. Uno de legal coal mining ongchapjawa. When you sa mandirang ba sinanang ya? Ya illegal coal mining ko kachi songna baita nostong e aro keng nokapa je mangan ya anang mo dongkapa gamjini nokaparang ua mangna ba ambani ja changgen ya mandirang. When you mandirang na nami mi soki scheme na illegal mining ko abachingbo mai support ko nanga ni sa government daklananga chap. Hindi ba iko dakija ya illegal mining ko sa facilitate kainga. Sani namgani na. Namgani de batte. Namgani ko de gwalbo. Song ni gam jimko watato danga paisa jekon gomeni rongdokona rabagen smiko raful gijasa 같이 봐 산이버 롱덕지 행 줘야 돼. 그 산전이 그 답하는 게. 달이야 코일라 샘플 코 라잉아. 코일라 이노 담 야 초이라 박고 단거 봐 그만큼. 그딸 알았어. 조달달 알았어. 너건 위에 오피서랑 봐 가나 스모 그딸 오몽자 니보 님나. 나송은 엑스퍼트 노라. 그딸은 야가니. 맨 그딸. 이노 농알 에리아 코일라 추이 작업 봐 그만큼 쿠야. 그딸 코데 그딸 그참 코데 그참 미망코는 꾸누야 원에그만 이코 케미컬 애널라이시스 같나 왔다 띵아 이코 비송 서티피케이트 하나 띵아 아 이코 칩 세크레터리는 샘플 하나 띵 아가보 왔다 띵 we will send simultaneously these samples will urge upon the government also to send the samples we will also collect other samples from other parts whether it is in Assam whether it is in Gaswapara or elsewhere yeah let's 오케이. 자만으로 쓰는 건 없어. 여기 의원이 거기 이근이랑 갈래 갖고 있는데 보방하고 from any of the two. 여기 예산에 my designated member 디포 와 나니 원더리 가가와데.
뭐죠?
콜 인디언이 designated. 누구 공자고 덮니고 나. 누구라 립 갖고 자. 옥신 정도.
오하다.
리프팅 오더 온 그죠.
오나서 이한 쪽인 혼.
Okay, now so we have after the visit to the spot based on the representation which I have received from the members of District Council, Garuds Autonomous District Council, and also local citizens separately from this part of the state, that means from the South Garuds area. I have made a visit today to see from ground zero as to what exactly is happening and to verify in presence of the petitioners. The members of the district council are with me, and also friends representing the local citizens are with me, and they are all present here today. We have jointly inspected the areas, and the whole visit has given us an idea as to what exactly is happening on the ground zero, which you are yourself a witness to. The coal which are stacked here and which are being transported, there are indications that both dumping, loading and transportation has been taking place, and this is what the representation also indicated. And this is again even after our repeated attempt to prevail upon the government to make an endeavor, a serious endeavor to stop all these illegalities. Number one, what is happening here is indicative of that illegal coal mining is continuing, and at a very, very large scale. Another thing is that the coal which are being illegally mined in spite of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, you will see that the illegal loading and transportation of the coal also is taking place. Now we'll have to verify where these coal are going. This problem has to be taken cognizance of by both Government of India and the state government. There's a responsibility vested upon people who are in authority, and therefore I'll be taking it up with the government. And after having seen what has happened in the last preceding 2 years, where I have reasons to believe, and we all have reasons to believe beyond any reasonable doubt, that the state government is in no mood to stop these illegalities. Therefore, there has to be an attempt to seek the intervention of judiciary, and this is precisely what we'll be doing. Investigation of any nature has to be an investigation which should be monitored by the court. unless this is done, the whole illegalities will continue with complete impunity. And this is something which we have to stop to protect the interests of the state and the nation. See, please remember one thing. The state government receives the royalty, which is also passed on to the district council. All the district councils are recipient of the share of royalty from the state government. In addition to that, we also have GST, we also have cess, number of revenue which accrue to the government exchequer to enable the government to meet its liabilities pertaining to environment, pertaining to other aspects. Therefore, there is a serious loss, a loss which has been continuing for last few years, not just now. The scales at which it is going is very alarming, and therefore we can't be a silent spectator. It must stop.
This is the question to the MDCs. You all actually went and checked with DMR, and what exactly were you finding on that day?
We had made an inspection. We had got to inspect the transportation which is taking place. But we found out that the illegal transportation which has been taking place is being facilitated by the government itself. So we have found out that the complete modus operandi of running this illegal transportation of coal is being facilitated by the government and by the district authorities itself.
Okay. And is it only in the one section that you've actually found this out, or it's being, the entire Garoville, the Gasopara port as well? Anybody?
No, Gasopara port will be visiting again. Today we have collected the sample. As we visited the area, when you look at the coal which is deposited, all the depots, they are all freshly mined and dumped. Okay. In fact, the officers representing the district authorities also have one geologist. He has himself indicated that yes, these are fresh coal, freshly mined coal which are dumped here. Okay, so that means this is happening continuously: mining, illegal mining, loading, and illegal transportation. Now, where they are going, I think there are two routes. One is for export to Bangladesh. Another one is for export to rest of the country, to other states. So we'll have to look at where these coal are going. And we have collected the sample, and we will have a chemical analysis done on this, and to see whether the coal dumped in Gasopara port is the same coal or some other coal. And other coal which are dumped in Assam, they can be verified. So government will have to use their machineries to find out as to what exactly is happening. And this is precisely what we want. An inquiry which should be able to dig the truth, unearth the truth, to protect the interests of the state.
Thank you.